everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're having an amazing, great day today. This company called Scribr is looking for a freelance native English editor. In other words, a freelance academic editing job. You will be helping students graduate. As an academic editor, you can make an impact by helping students graduate, enhance the language, structure, and clarity of term papers, essays, and theses, help students finish their bachelor's, master's, or PhD program, coach students to become better writers, enjoy glowing reviews from happy students. Now, what is Scribr? Since 2012, Scribr has helped thousands of students earn their degrees. Their team of over 500 academic editors on 6 continents helps students across the globe perfect their theses and graduate. They currently offer services in 10 languages and they are only growing. In fact, Deloitte recently named Scribr as one of the fastest growing startups in the Netherlands. From their Amsterdam headquarters, they are continuously working to improve their services for innovation and to live up to their reputation as an excellent employer. Their editor community, online and offline, benefits for Scribr editors: remote work remotely from home, your Airbnb in Mexico or your tent in Nepal, flexibility, enjoy the freedom to design your own work schedule, administrative support, let them handle the clients and logistics so you can focus on editing, technical support, receive assistance from their support team, community, exchange ideas, and discuss language issues with their Scribr editors via their exclusive Slack community for Scribr editors. Creativity, write for the Scribr blog where their community shares stories and advice for freelancers and language lovers. And personal development. Your profile. You are a native English speaker. You have earned at least a bachelor's degree. You are at least available for 10 hours a week. You can help out during the busiest months, May and August. Every now and then, you are happy to help students during the weekend or on a public holiday. You are reliable, flexible, and responsive. You find meeting deadlines a breeze. You are inquisitive and curious about different subjects. You have experience in editing academic texts, and you have Microsoft Word 2013 or later and a reliable internet connection. Now, here's what Scribr offers you. Scribr offers editors a fixed rate based on the deadline, word count, and selected services, so the rate you earn depends on your order preferences and editing speed. On average, their editors edit over 1,700 words per hour and earn approximately between 20 to 25 euro per hour. Personalized training to help you optimize your skills and knowledge, access to their exclusive editing resources and software to help you work efficiently, invoicing and tax support and monthly paydays, 24/7 support to answer your questions, full-time work during busy periods, and a chance to be part of an active and supported community of language speakers, language experts. So, if you think that this position as a freelance native English editor is for you, I'm going to put the link down below in the description so you can go and apply right now for this remote job opportunity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more work from home job opportunity. Thanks for watching and have a good day.